Today, our topic is how to interact with what? More than one database software at a time. Yeah, see, auto configuration is working for single database software. So if you want to interact with more than one database software, so first of all, what it is doing internally to locate and interact with one database software, we should understand. And that process we have to do manually for more than one database software. So going to be a little complex process, not easy. Okay. So we have to revise our basics first, and we have to understand while what Spring Data JPA is internally doing to locate and interact with one database software. That process we have to repeat manually for multiple database software. So maybe today's entire session, first session is totally on what? Understanding existing thing and doing the same thing for what? Okay, understanding existing thing, especially towards various possibilities related to @bean method and all this stuff. Later, we try to implement in effective manner. Okay, na? Right. Oh, that's good. Let me open the document first. E-drive, class content, (1103). Spring Boot Data JPA. Yeah. Where is the document, guys? Anyone? Are you able to see? No, that's a common topic, but I think last time I kept in this place working with the large objects. I think not there. Okay, now let's take it as common topics. Interacting with MongoDB, multiple database software. Copy this. Okay, let me open here itself. Open with Paint. Yeah. Before getting into actual one, yeah, tell me. What's the difference between physical database software and logical DB, guys? What's the difference between physical database software and logical DB? Logical DB is a logical partition of physical database software, which will be created on one per project basis. Come on. You feel this entire building is one physical database software. In this one, 20 rooms are there. Can I say 20 logical DBs are there? For every project, one separate logical DB will be created or not there. That project related table, PL SQL procedure, functions, everything will be placed in that logical DB or not there, guys. Logical DB is a logical partition of physical database software, which will be created on what? One per project basis. That means every project related DB tables will be created in the project related logical DB. In Oracle database software, every logical DB is identified with its what? SID, service ID, XC, ORCL, all these are what? Default logical DBs. In MySQL database software, every logical DB is identified with its what? Database name. What name, guys? Yeah, tell me. This is my physical database software, Oracle. In that one, database engine is there. In that one, how many logical partitions are there? 3. Logical DB1, logical DB2, logical DB3. Every logical DB is identified with its what? SID or not there? Super. Okay, here how many logical data? What is this is again physical database software MySQL. Here how many logical DBs are there? 4. And everything is identified with its database name or not there? Okay. See, when I say interacting with the two database software, it can be two different physical database software, or it can be one physical database software, two logical DBs. See, if I don't really have MySQL and Oracle in my system, MySQL and what? Oracle in my system, definitely I would have what? Definitely I would have taken two logical DBs of Oracle or two logical DBs of MySQL. But right now I have two physical database software. I'm going to interact with what? Two different logical DBs of two different physical database software. It's not mandatory. Interacting with the two DBs means there must be two physical database software. They can be two logical DBs of same physical database software. Okay. Interacting with multiple database software from Spring Boot application using Spring Data JPA. Creating multiple data sources from Spring Boot application using Spring Data JPA or Spring Boot Data JPA. Okay, let's see. To interact with multiple database software or different logical DBs of what? Same physical database software, we need to use this concept. Here we cannot enjoy data source object that comes through auto configuration. The auto configuration based data source object always points to what? Single database software or a single logical DB. But we need pointing to multiple database software or multiple logical DBs of what? Same database software. So we need to go for manual configuration of Spring Beans, including what? Data sources using 100% code-driven configuration in Spring Boot application. Indicates that we need to go for lots of manual configuration in Spring Boot application. This is why this topic has got speciality. Otherwise, no use of this topic, right? Where so far we enjoyed data source coming through auto configuration. We are just adding jar, adding some properties in application.properties, and we are ready with the data source. That is internally linked with the repository linked with the service class. You do something in service class, it is happily inserting the interacting with the database software, right, boss? So we enjoyed a lot of auto configuration benefit. But if you want to get two data sources at a time, sorry, you cannot enjoy auto configuration benefit. You should know how existing data source is coming internally, and you have to replicate that process for multiple DBs. So there is the challenge. Okay, na? Right. So in which situation we need to interact with what? More than one database software. Transferring bank account details from one bank to another bank if one bank acquires another bank. And nowadays, these bank mergers are happening or not there. I think good merger we can see is Andhra Bank, Vijaya Bank merged to Bank of Baroda. All because the government decided, hey, these many branches, these many banks not going to work out. Let's merge. Let's merge. So the relevant batches they merged into single bank, right? That time account details should be transferred or not there. The customers still have old account number only, but merging should happen. So lot of data transfer is involved or not there. Definitely lot of data transfer is involved or not there, guys. That time the data should be transferred from one database to another database. Are all SB State Bank related or small banks merged with SBI or not there? You know, we have SBI and for small, what is that? Presidential states in India, they have created SBH, State Bank of Hyderabad, SBM, State Bank of Mysore, SBT, State Bank of Travancore, SBB, Bikanur. All these are what? Princely ruled states. Something is the presidential states or princely ruled states. Yeah. But at that time, like when independence came, that was the story. But later, entire it is united India. But still they continued that legacy. But recently, as part of bank merging process, they merged all those things to what? SB. And after that, SBI has become what? World's largest bank with a huge number of customers. Otherwise, ICICI would have become India's largest bank. To kill that, government has brought this scheme and SBI got benefited, no doubt. Yeah, transfer money operation between two banks, RTGS and FTS. Save the product details in multiple database software, one for main use, one for backup. One for main use, one for what? Backup. In Oracle, you save for regular operation. In MySQL, you keep it for what? Backup purpose. One application or project is saving what? Different products with different database softwares, like customers info in Oracle database, products or offers info in what? MySQL. Because I don't want to keep entire data in one database for a load balance, whatever it is. Different sets of data I want to save in what? Different database softwares. Website displaying info or report by collecting from what? Database software. While generating big report, I want to collect data from what? Multiple database softwares. Say something, guys. Right. I think you got the situation where we need to work with interacting with multiple database software. Is getting my point there or not there? Are you enjoying the sessions? Are you involving in the subject? Yesterday I got one typical mail, someone written in Telugu. You're saying so many things, but I'm not getting anything. Anyone is like that? I just want to know. That too he has written in Telugu. Then I understood some language problem is there. See, if you want to enjoy my session, basic English is required. Because he has written one mail in Telugu, 4 5 lines. Maybe he's not comfortable in English, that's why he's not getting sessions. Good na? All good? Am I reachable? Am I understandable? It's been long times getting such mail. That's why I'm little shocked. Everything is okay from my side? Fine, thank you. Okay. Yeah, what is this? Basics recap. Because we forgot some at the rate bean related, some fundamentals. If you don't want to provide bean ID for at the rate bean method, based Spring Bean configuration, default bean ID will come or not there. I think we know, but I'm just revising it. What is the default bean ID? The method name becomes what? Default. Check it out. Public data source create DS, no bean ID. So create DS becomes default bean ID or not there. If you want to use IOC container supplied object in at the rate bean method, it can be done in two ways. Already some object is there with IOC container as a Spring Bean, but I want to use in at the rate bean method. Option number one. Configuration class is also Spring Bean. Don't forget that. Inject there and start using in multiple at the rate bean methods, right? Come on, guys. Inject to configuration class and use in what? All at the rate bean method. The injected object is visible in all at the rate bean method. For example, you take this environment object is ready-made object that I have injected to whom, guys? Configuration class. Configuration class is a Spring Bean. One Spring Bean can be injected to another Spring Bean or not there. And this environment object is what? Ready-made Spring Bean or not there. Super. In environment object is injected to DB config so that it can be used in what? First at the rate bean method, second at the rate bean method are not there. Okay, this is good if I want to use injected object in multiple at the rate bean methods. Agree with me, guys? Option A is good if the container managed object is required in what? Multiple @bean methods of configuration class. Here container object, managed object is nothing but what? Spring bean. Here nothing but environment object here are not there. Environment object here are not there. Environment object are not there. Pass it as parameter of @bean method. I don't want to use in all @bean method. I want to use in one @bean method. So then we have an option of passing it as a parameter of @bean method. I don't know whether you remembered or not. In Spring Boot batch processing also we have done it. I hope you attended batch processing classes. Come on. Okay, some batch people attended, some people are not attended. So there also we have passed as parameters in @bean method. For maybe remaining people, it's a new. So @bean method can be designed with arguments. Okay, now check it out. Public data source create DS1 environment env. Okay, that means while calling this method, passing environment object will be taken care by IOC container. What's the advantage of it? This environment is now specific to this @bean method, not visible to what? Other @bean method. So that means we are restricting the visibility to one @bean method or not there. We are restricting the visibility to one @bean method or not there. Super. Here the injected object can be made specific to what? One @bean method. Option B is good if the container managed object is required only in one @bean method of what? Configuration class. I know first one everyone knows, but I'm highlighting second one is also possible. Okay, these are the basics recap, guys. No bean ID, default bean ID is there, especially for @bean method. Especially for what? @bean method. The default bean ID is what? What is there? Especially for @bean method. The default bean ID is, are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. Yeah. And the bean method name becomes default bean ID. Other one is we have a container manager Spring Bean object. Okay. This is what? Container managed what? Spring Bean object that you want to use in multiple @bean method, just inject using @auto or make it as parameter to what? And one @bean method. It is specifically visible to that one. Fine. Let's come back. When we get data source object through auto configuration, the following objects will be created internally while dealing with what? Spring Data JPA. This is the actual story. This data source object points to JDBC connection pool, will point to database software or not there. But that is internally given by whom? Entity manager factory object. What object? What is that, guys? Entity manager factory object. It is entity manager factory interface implementation class object or not there. It is like Hibernate session object. It is, what is there? It is platform or base for performing code operations like what? Persist, update, get kind of operation. Who gives this object? Transaction manager object, who is responsible for commit rollback. And we think the data source object is coming, boss, but actually, okay, that is used by entity manager factory, that is used by transaction manager object. So that means all three objects are internally coming as what? Internally coming as what? Through auto configuration. And they are injected with what? Each other. See guys, this is responsible to locate the database software, connectivity. This is responsible, come on, providing what, whenever I say repo.save, internally they are called on entity manager factory object only. If they are non-select operation, committing the result or rollbacking the result will be taken care by whom guys? Transaction manager object. So far what we are doing, repo.save, it is inserting record. In that process, who is actually locating database software, data source? Who is actually taking that save method and executing the command? Entity manager factory object. Once results are done, query generated execution is done, who is committing or rollbacking the result? Transaction manager object. Okay, listen. That's why all these objects are linked to Spring Data JPA repository, like JPA repository, paging and sorting repository, crude repository, and etc. That means in these many days, we are getting abstraction on all these things through this repository object. We are getting abstraction on all the three objects through what? A repository object. Are you understanding my statement here? What is the challenge, If you are interacting with multiple database software, you have to create multiple data sources, entity manager factory object, transaction manager objects. Then only our job will be done. Otherwise, our job will not be done. Clear, my dear? While interacting with multiple database software, stop using auto configuration based data source, entity manager factory, transaction manager object. Start creating them manually using what? Java config approach or 100% code driven configuration with the support of what? @bean method. This makes this whole process bit heavy. Because whatever we have enjoyed so far through auto configuration, three objects are coming, they are linked to repository automatically. Everything is abstraction only. We are not doing anything, right? Such things we have to do manually. If we are mentally ready for that, yes, we are ready to interact with not only two, three, four, 10 database softwares also at a time. But that acceptance is there. I don't get into subject directly. I will prepare background. So at least now you realize what is happening in existing system, how much abstraction we are enjoying so far. We think that repository doing everything, but now repository is linked with what? Data source, entity manager, and transaction manager. Definitely, technically should be, yes. Yes or no, na? While interacting with multiple DB software, stop using auto configuration based data source, entity manager factory, and what? Transaction object. Start creating them manually using what? Java config approach or 100% code driven configuration with the support of @bean methods. What methods, guys? To interact with the two database software or two logical DBs of database software. Yes, what should I do? Check it out. Transaction manager 1, entity manager factory 1, data source object 1, pointing to one database software linked with one repository or not there. Second one, linked to another database software, linked to another repository or not there. Sir, how to link them to our repository, sir? For that, you have to take the support of enable repository annotation. We'll introduce this. Because when they are manually created, how to link them? We have to link them by using what? Enable repository. Got it? Assume this is the Oracle, this is my SQL. With respect to Oracle, we have to create these three objects, link with what? Repository. With respect to MySQL, create all the three objects and link with what? Another repository. For example, product and offers two tables are there. When I save product information, it should be saved in Oracle. When I save what? When I save what? Offers information, it should be saved in MySQL. Got it, my dear? Product information in one table, offers information in one table. I want to save like that. In that situation, we can think about going for what? This concept implementation manually or not there, guys. Like this, we need end sets of transaction manager, entity manager factory, data source objects to interact with what? N database softwares. N database software from our Spring Data JPA application. Are you understanding my statement, guys? To change from one database software to another database software, that time, one database software at a time, then we need to use what? Profiles in Spring Boot. Array, regular, we can enjoy auto configuration, everything existing, profiles are enough. To interact with more than one database software at a time, take the support of above process, nothing but manual configuration of multiple data sources, entity manager factory object, transaction manager object, linked with repository objects are not there. Simply linked with what? Repository objects are not there. Okay, fine. So let's start with multiple data sources creation. Let's start with what? Multiple data sources creation. Yeah, I'm taking my own properties, Observe very carefully. These are not fixed keys. Oracle.data source.driver class name. Oracle.data source. MySQL.data source. My choice prefix, but this is fixed. Why? We have ready-made Spring Bean class. We have a ready-made Spring Bean class. Expecting these key values, I can do bulk injection on that Spring Bean by using @configuration property and specifying this prefix are not there. Fix is our choice like Oracle.data source, but the last nodes in the keys are fixed. Driver class name, URL, username, password. Same thing over here, na boss. That means I'm planning to inject them to one ready-made Spring Bean who is expecting these four properties are not there. Come on. If I create object for that Spring Bean by using @bean method, on the top of those method, configuration properties prefix is Oracle data source, prefix is MySQL data source, then these keys and those keys are matching. So that what happened? In one bean, Oracle driver details, another bean, MySQL driver details are injected. These are injected means they become ready to create data source object internally or not there. So why are you not using regular Spring.data source? Or if I use them, it will go to Hikari data source. No, I want to create manually. And that will create only one data source, but I want two data sources. I want two data sources. Okay, check it out. See, public class DB config, public data source create Oracle DS, return data source builder dot create dot build. Data source builder dot create dot build. So this gives me what? Data source object. In the data source object, all the four things will, all the four properties are injected or not there. By using them, it will create what? JDBC connection pool for Oracle. Pointed by this what? Data source object are not there, guys. Okay, same thing I am doing for second time, but this time what I am injecting? MySQL dot data source. Interesting or not, guys? Come on. Okay, entire credit should be given to this class or not? Data source builder. Data source builder is having four properties: driver class name, URL, username, password. Because of this bulk injection, those four properties are injected. And once injected, create and build method together, creating data source object. This method creates a data source object pointing to Oracle. This method creates a data source object pointing to MySQL. Only data source is ready. Like this, we have to create entity manager factory object and a transaction manager object. And by using some annotation, we have to link all the three objects to what? Repository 1, repository 2. So much hangama is there. That's why it has become common topic or special topic. If you are getting everything through auto configuration, I would have covered in a regular class only. Somehow auto configuration they have given is pointing to what? One database at a time. So if you want for multiple database software, you have to bring the things into your control. If you add Spring Data JPA starter to the project, it internally uses what? Hikari CP data source by default. Hikari CP data source pointing to Oracle. Here also Hikari CP data source pointing to MySQL. Hikari CP is not specific to one database. It depends upon which properties you are giving. Here it is used for Oracle. Here it is used for MySQL. Data source is predefined class having properties like what? Driver class name, URL, username, password. By using JDBC driver details injected to what? Data source builder, we can create data source pointing to certain JDBC connection pool. So this one points to Oracle, this one points to what? MySQL. Only the proof I have to do in front of you people is I have to prove one thing here, that is the only one thing that I want to prove here is this data source builder is also having exactly those four properties. 1 minute. I think Spring Data JPA, any project you take any day, okay, you take control plus shift plus T, guys. Where is that? Data source builder. Is there now, guys? Yeah, both are same. Anything you can. Data source builder. It's a class. In this one, observe property names. Control F. Okay. Yeah, check it out. Driver class name, URL. Like this, some properties are there or not there. You point to this driver class name, guys. You point to this driver class name, guys. Come on. Okay, driver class name. Okay, let me try for a driver class. Yeah, see guys, driver class name, username, password, URL. Data source property is there, na? Okay, sorry, it is a driver class name, na? If it is like this, you can write like what? Hyphen symbol. When property is having mixed case letters, that can be separated with what? Hyphen symbols are not there. That can be separated with what? Hyphen symbols are not there, guys. Okay, guys. Actually, I invited I invited few students to share their success journey. Let me check whether they have come or not. Yeah. If anyone joins, I invited few students to share their success journey. The people who got recent jobs. If you have joined, please ping me in the chat box. If you people have joined, Sumit. Okay, fine. I'll check one more time. Remind me, last time also few students joined, I forgot and I completed my topic and I closed the meeting. Yeah, fine. Let it be. I think you got the basic rhythm over here now, my dear. I hope you understood the basic rhythm over here. Come on. Driver class name, username, password. All these are perfectly taking place over there or not? All these are perfectly taking place over here or not there, guys? Right. So that's the reason we are able to do bulk injection, right? And similar thing we have to do for entity manager factory. And similar thing we have to do for what? Transaction manager. And by using annotation and at the rate enable repository, we have to link all the three objects to whom, guys? Repository 1, repository 2. Repository 1, repository 2. So some hangama is there or not there? Fine. Okay. Yeah, give me 1 minute. Let me check anyone. Yeah. Today class started when? Parhan? Class started on regular timing only. Only link is changed. Maybe you from I think yesterday I have given new link to join, right? So that's why I attend classes regularly, my dear. Okay, fine. Okay, now shall we go for application development, guys? Let's plan and go for what? Application development. Fine. You have not missed much, Mr. Parhan. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Example application. What I want to do. Making Spring Boot Data JPA application, inserting product info to Oracle DB table and offers info to what? MySQL DB table. Keep both SQL, MySQL and Oracle database softwares ready now, boss? Yes, in my system, both are ready. Create Spring Boot starter project, adding the following starters. Lambda KPA, Spring Data JPA, MySQL driver, Oracle driver. These are required or not required? Okay. We'll go one by one. No hurry, burry. We have another session to complete the execution part. Okay, na? Fine. I think what's the next session? Yeah, I think everyone knows this next second, guys. 7 p.m. Yeah, let's come to this, guys. Yeah, data association mapping joins many to many is not there in this one. 17, 16 joins means 17th is many to many association. Fine. Okay. No, 17 I will take, 18 I will write. Spring starter project, guys. What project? Spring starter project. Yeah, tell me. Boot data JPA. No, no, it's right only. It's a common topic for two batches. Okay, I will copy the project to your workspace also later. Boot data JPA. What is there? Pros. How much? 17. What is there? Interacting with 2DBs. Okay. I think JAR is enough. It's a standalone project I want to develop. Okay. Spring Boot data JPA is the another one. Say next. Arkle driver, MySQL driver, Lambda API, Spring Data JPA. Whenever custom keys are there, better to take what? Configuration processor. That is optional, boss, not mandatory. That is purely optional, not mandatory. Okay. Anisha Rautre joined. Okay. Sir, take bank example, please. Arey, see, bank example also, there is a logical only, na? There's a logical only. Real bank will be there, my dear. Please use common sense. Mr. Ramkumar. See, two databases, what operation I do, that really does not matter, right? Yeah. Anisha Rautre. Okay, fine. I'll take you. Anisha Rautre. Attendance is Anisha. Who is this 1, 2, 3 fellows? Thank you. Remove. Guys, join with original names. Those who join with numbers, I am Shaker, fine, no problem. Those who join with the numbers, I am removing them, guys, seriously. 91907. Remove. Please rejoin again. Anisha. Okay, Anisha Rautre, fine. How to make it pan? Okay, allows to talk. Anisha, are you able to talk?
Hello.
Yeah. Are you?
Good morning, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. It's not coming in the speaker.
Okay.
Let 1 minute. Can you try once? In my speaker out. Can you try once? Anisha.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, try.
Hello.
Yeah. Now speak once.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anisha Rautre.
Yeah, you go ahead.
Sir, actually, you're not that much audible.
You go ahead. It's go.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I think you must be in a right hand with like Spring Boot and microservices. Uh, the journey has been like long for me, but nice. You can say a life lesson for everyone. Like uh, it's been 1 year I have been in Hyderabad. Finally, I got succeeded by being a software engineer in Cupo AI. Uh, yeah, like initially we were thinking like we will be like acing in every subject and getting the job as soon as possible. But life has to like show you the lessons, like get the rejection, accept all the rejection, and then succeed in. It's been the life lesson for me. I've been to like different companies and getting rejected. It's very depressing, and I used to like say, "Sir, not happening, not happening." I've been like every companies and get still getting not disclosure and all. But yeah, at the last, uh, I got succeeded, and it's been a nice and wonderful journey for me. Mm, yeah, like for me, then we used to like learn Java from Jagannath sir, and he used to say like it's going to be tough for everyone, but you don't give up. The same thing Natra sir used to say to us. Like every time sir used to like call everyone and give like motivation, like our seniors who got placed, and we used to think like when we are going to be the getting that opportunity, and I think I finally got that. uh, yeah, you have to be like dedicated, confident, don't give up, stay focused, don't get distracted. Yeah, that's all you have to do. Thank you.
Yeah, there are a few worries from the
Yeah.
student. Which company you got the job? What is the package? And what are the questions asked in the interview? And please share this information so that they get some knowledge on.
So I got placed in Cupu AI. It's a startup company. Uh, as a software engineer, the role is software engineer, and we are getting we are using Spring Boot and microservices in that. Angular for UI. The questions they have asked is like simple. What sir used to do in the like in the laptop, those examples now Java, uh, 8 features, some questions, then JPA repository and all. I got questions from there. CRUD operation, simple questions which you can if you practice well and if you go to labs regularly, you will able to crack it. Yes, sir.
Big package.
Sorry.
Package.
So it's initial na startup, so it's 3.5 for me now, but it is going to increase like after some few months.
Okay. Are you using classroom subject every day in the company or are you learning new things?
So like now the training period is going on for 3 months. Uh, we are actually having all hands-on like experience on the real-time project now in Spring Boot itself. uh, Using same like the normal which you used to teach us. Those things only we are using. The security and all like now they are like giving us, and yeah.
You really also there.
Sorry, it's not audible, sir.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. So yeah, that you believe in yourself and learn what sir teaches you and do the assignment that day itself. When sir gives you, I'll tell you will like you will get the result positively. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Anusha. And I have
Thank you,
actually
sir.
one nickname to this conjuncing,
Yes, sir.
not because of money spending wise. She
Thank
used to
you.
write code line by line without having any gap.
Yeah, you remember that. That's
For life, like because I have seen conjuncing program on first time. See, it should be like this. Here, no gap. This kind of coding. First line, second line, third line. No gap.
yeah. I'm the first one to get the nickname in our batch, by the way.
Be proud of that. Otherwise, Anisha,
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
your code in the company with proper indentation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks so much. Thanks, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fine. Now we have Sumit. Sumit Sahu. Sumit Sahu, can you unmute? Sumit, can you unmute?
Hello.
Yes, Sumit, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all.
I think I disturbed your sleep, it seems.
Yes.
Okay. I think you are working for a Mumbai-based company, right?
Yes, sir.
I think you are working for Mumbai-based company.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah, please go ahead. Please share yourself.
Sir, can I use Hindi?
Happily.
Yes, sir. My name is Sumit, like मेरा नाम सुमित साहू है। मैं मध्य प्रदेश से बिलोंग करता हूँ। तो मेरी जर्नी की शुरुआत जो हुई वो बीटेक के टाइम से हुई। लगभग बीटेक में थर्ड ईयर से ही हमारा जो प्लानिंग एक रूट मैप मैंने बनाया, जो जिस रूट मैप के हिसाब से हम लोग को मतलब आगे थर्ड ईयर के बाद जो प्लानिंग करा था कि हमें किस तरीके से कोर्स कंप्लीट करना है और किस टाइम पर जॉब लेना है। तो इस तरीके का हमने एक रूट मैप बनाया जो थर्ड ईयर के टाइम में बनाया कि कब कोर्स ज्वाइन करना है, कब क्या करना है। उस हिसाब से हमने एक रूट मैप बनाया। और रूट मैप लाइक थर्ड ईयर जैसे ही हमारा खत्म हुआ उसके बाद हम लाइक हैदराबाद आए। हैदराबाद आने के बाद हमने जावा फुल स्टैक का कोर्स ज्वाइन किया। ज्वाइन करने के बाद जावा में हमने शुरुआत किया, जिसमें पहला पहला जो क्लास था हमारा जावा का, जो हरिकृष्ण सर का था, वो काफ़ी अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं। और उसके बाद शुरुआत हुई जावा में, और रूट मैप को फॉलो करते हुए चलते गए। बट बीच में बहुत सारी परेशानियां भी आई, कुछ फाइनेंशियल भी आई, कुछ अदर परेशानियां भी आई, जिसमें फैमिली ने भी सपोर्ट किया और भैया ने भी सपोर्ट किया।
Go
और
ahead.
उसी हेलो।
Yeah, go ahead. You are going with.
ओके। जिसमें हमारी फैमिली मतलब लाइक फाइनेंशियली बहुत प्रॉब्लम आई, क्योंकि हमारे घर का इनकम, मैं एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ। तो घर में इतनी इनकम नहीं थी, बट हैदराबाद में कुछ ज़्यादा ही खर्चे थे, तो उस खर्चे के हिसाब से मतलब फाइनेंशियल इशू भी देखना पड़ा। और उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे इश्यूज थे, बट करते रहे, पढ़ते रहे। तो आखिर में 7-8 महीने बीतने के बाद बट लगने लगा कि अब जॉब लेना चाहिए। बहुत पढ़ लिया, बट उसके बाद जब जॉब मार्केट में गए, ट्राई मतलब देखा कि जॉब में तो बहुत कंपटीशन है। तो उसके बाद थोड़ा डिमोटिवेशन फील हुआ, बट हमारे भैया बोलने लगे कि कंपटीशन तो बहुत है, बट हमें तो एक ही जॉब चाहिए ना, सारी थोड़ी चाहिए। तो उसको लेके हम थोड़ा मोटिवेट हो, मतलब वो सोच के हम थोड़ा मोटिवेट हो जाते थे। तो भैया हमारे मोटिवेशन देते रहते थे बीच बीच में, ताकि डिमोटिवेशन ना आए। और नटराज सर भी बीच बीच में हमारे लिए क्लास में मोटिवेशन देते रहते थे, जिससे मोटिवेशन बना रहता था कि हमें तो करना है, जॉब तो लेना ही है। तो उस हिसाब से पढ़ते रहे। और साथ में भैया ने एक स्ट्रेटेजी बताया कि जो लिंक्डइन और अदर प्लेटफॉर्म पे मतलब एक्टिव रहना है 2-3 महीने। जो लास्ट के रहे ना, उसमें बहुत सारा मतलब उसमें प्रोफाइल एडिशन भी करा, प्रोफाइल अच्छे से बनाया और एक्टिव रहे। जिसमें लिंक्डइन से हम मैसेज करते थे, और एचआर को भी मैसेज करा लिंक्डइन से। और अदर प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी हमने बहुत सारी जगह अप्लाई करा। लगभग मान के चलिए कि 30 से 40 जगह डेली अप्लाई करने का रहता था, कि 30 से 40 जगह डेली अप्लाई करना है। तो ऐसे करते रहे, बट कुछ टाइम रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया। लगभग 1 से 1.5 महीने तक कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया। तो डीमोटिवेशन फील होता था कि कुछ रिस्पॉन्स भी नहीं आता, एटलीस्ट रिग्रेट तक का मेल नहीं आता था। तो उस टाइम पे थोड़ा डिमोटिवेशन होता था, बट इसी के बाद मतलब ज्यादा बहुत अप्लाई करने के बाद एक रिस्पॉन्स आया जो हैदराबाद से ही था। जो आर कनेक्ट आईटी सॉल्यूशन करके कंपनी था, तो उसमें हमारा पहला इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट हुआ। और उसमें पहला इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट हुआ तो टेक्निकल साइड से जो भी इंटरव्यू था वो हमारा क्लियर हो चुका। बट जो अदर साइड उनका एक रिक्वायरमेंट था कि हमें इंटरनेशनल लेवल का इंग्लिश चाहिए, तो वो तो हमारे पास था नहीं। तो वो चांस नहीं फुलफिल हो पाया, मतलब वो कंडीशन उनका फुलफिल नहीं हो पाया, तो वो अपॉर्चुनिटी हम खो दिए। उसके बाद हमने मतलब लाइक इंग्लिश भी ज्वाइन किया और इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव किया। उसके बाद ट्राई करते रहे, कुछ नरेश आईटी से भी किया, पर नरेश आईटी से वही 2 राउंड 3 राउंड तक ही पहुंच पाए, उसके आगे तो नहीं पहुंच पाए। बट ट्राई करते रहे और लास्ट में ये लिंक्डइन के थ्रू, जो मुंबई की कंपनी का लिंक्डइन के थ्रू हमारा कनेक्शन हुआ, और लिंक्डइन के थ्रू थ्रू ही इसका इंटरव्यू वगैरह कंडक्ट हुआ। सारी चीज़ें इससे ही हुई। इसका पूरा इंटरव्यू वगैरह सारा कंडक्ट होने के बाद लगभग 1 डेढ़ महीने पहले इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट हुआ था, बट इसका कुछ रिस्पॉन्स आने की कुछ आशा नहीं थी कि इसका कुछ रिस्पॉन्स आएगा। बट बाद में लगभग अभी पहले अक्टूबर के पहले ही मंथ में इसका रिस्पॉन्स आया, तब लगा कि कुछ होगा इसका। उसके बाद फिर इसका एचआर राउंड वगैरह बचा हुआ था, जो एचआर राउंड वगैरह कंप्लीट हुआ और फाइनली ज्वाइनिंग हो गया।
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
यस। तो ये जो जर्नी थी इतनी, जो इस जर्नी में बहुत सारे इश्यूज आए, जिसमें फाइनेंशियल इशू सबसे बड़ा इशू था। क्योंकि एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करने के बाद इनकम बहुत कम था, तो उस इनकम के साथ हैदराबाद में मतलब रहना, और उसके अलावा फैमिली का इनकम बहुत कम था, तो हैदराबाद का अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाना ये था। तो उसमें मतलब ऐसा कि शुरुआत से जब हम हैदराबाद आए तो हमारा सिर्फ एक ही टारगेट था कि जॉब लेना है। तो उस जॉब लेने के उस टारगेट के चक्कर में, मतलब टारगेट जो हमारा था उसके हिसाब से हम हैदराबाद में कहीं घूम भी नहीं पाए। क्योंकि हमारा टारगेट एक ही था, जब तक जॉब नहीं होगा जब तक नहीं घूमेंगे। तो अभी भी हम हैदराबाद के मतलब सिर्फ 2 ही जगह घूम पाए हैं, जो जाते टाइम शुरुआत में ही घूमे थे। बाकी कहीं एक्सप्लोर नहीं करा, जो जहाँ भी गए वो जॉब पर्पस के हिसाब से ही घूमे हैं। बाकी अदर पर्पस से हिसाब से नहीं घूमे, क्योंकि हमारे टारगेट था कि जब तक जॉब नहीं होगा तब तक घूमेंगे भी नहीं।
Okay. Good, good, good. Indeed, great speech. Where is your cousin, Lakshmi Sabu? I
यस
think
सर।
she has not joined. Sumit, are you there?
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay. I think she has not joined, it seems. If possible, ping her. Thank you, Sumit. Thank
यस
you.
सर।
Thank
मैं
for
नटराज सर को भी बहुत थैंक्स बोलना चाहूंगा, इनका मोटिवेशन मुझे बहुत मतलब मोटिवेट करता था। और साथ में हरे कृष्णा सर का, जो बोलते थे कि मतलब मेहनत करते रहो, एक ना एक दिन हो ही जाएगा। तो मैं भी यही सोच के मेहनत करता था कि आज नहीं तो कल अपना भी दिन आएगा। और नटराज सर भी बीच में बोलते रहते थे कि कुछ करो, क्या कर रहे हो, मतलब जो मोटिवेशन देते थे ना, तो उससे लगता था कि यार हमें भी कुछ करना चाहिए।
how you are surviving in the job. Is it going good?
यस सर। गुड, टीम ऑल्सो गुड।
Oh, that's good. Okay, if possible, ping your cousin to join.
बट सी इज स्लीपिंग सर नाउ।
Okay, fine. Let us see.
ओके।
Okay. Thank you, Sumit. All the best.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू टू ऑल।
Rumba, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's been long time, Rumba. How are you?
Fine, sir. Everything is going fine.
All these people belongs to only one batch, that is level of batch. And I first girl who got the job in that batch, right? And
Yes.
her bad luck is first she got the job, later uh, I asked her to speak on the dais, sharing journey, all this stuff. Later we realized that's a fake one. She got demotivated like anything, but within I think 20 days she got another one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, na? Fine. I hope you are doing well in the company, Rupa.
Yes, sir. Everything is fine. Like I'm doing good. Like I have got married recently.
Oh, congrats.
Uh, uh, I think it's been 1 month. That's it. Like when I received my second month salary, then I got married.
Okay,
Yeah, like uh, everything is going fine.
okay.
Hmm.
Yeah,
How are you, sir? How was?
you were waiting for job to come for marriage or after?
No, no. Like my father was like he don't want to like he want to wait, but family.
Oh,
Then I have two sisters, so they are
and
there. You have to get married. Then within a month, it was happened.
something you did not mention. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, please share your journey. It will help us.
hi everyone. Like myself, Rupa. Okay, I have completed my degree from Koti Women's College. Not in a stream of like computer science. Like I'm from an electrical background, electronics. Like my when I was like searching what to do next when I completed my degree, like my brother told me to like choose whatever you want. Like he said, I said I'll do MCA. Then like my brother told whatever we pay the fees of MCA, we'll get a coaching in some institute. He said, and my sister-in-law recommended me to join in Nareshati. Like I have joined there. Like, I was doing well in the assignments. I never missed a class of anything, and I never missed the Saturday's exams. Everything was like going well, and with after 6 months, like I was like traveling from my uncle's home. Then like they were asking what happened. Like it's been taking time. Then I said, like it will go well, and then I got an offer. That was like fake, and from Naresh Shetty I got this offer, Nutera Technologies, and like I have cleared my first round. They called me. Then I have given second round, and in the evening I got a call. Like when I'm traveling home, like you are selected, and I was in a like confusion. Like they asked me 3 years bond. I was like, my uncle told me like you are giving your 3 years there. Like he was like, why? You'll get another offer. No, I said like I asked my father, should I take it or like should I leave it? He said, okay, whatever you want to do, do it. I gave then like I asked the suggestions from sir. Then I took that offer. Like I was now very happy. Like I am very happy. Like taking that opportunity. Like when I am seeing someone traveling for interview in the bus, like I'm going still now I am traveling uh, from Uppal to Kondapur every day. But like now I am seeing how many members in front of Google, in front of TCS, how many people are coming to the interview. I am seeing everything. Like I think right now, like I took a very good decision, and I took a stand. Whether it is 3 years or 4 years, I will stay in that company. And now I am going very well. As I said, I have got married recently, and like my husband is supporting me, and everything is going fine right now. And I'm working like very good. things is happening in my life, and some everything will come in life, whether like they are not permanent. Whatever you do and give your best, then we'll get a very good things will happen. Take whatever like sir is saying, every like everyone in the narrative, whatever they say, that is for our good. Whether they scold or like whether they appreciate everything, how we take appreciation, we should take the scoldings also from them. We have to take that in a normal way, how we take appreciation, and then we'll get a very good result. I feel like with the zero coding knowledge, I have placed in a like like very good company. Everything was nice. Like my package is 3 LPA right now, though like it was like going well, and I'm working in a very good project right now. And more 3 months is there for my provision period. After that, we can go ahead. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, I must appreciate this girl. She's a local girl belonging to Ibrahimpatnam. Ibrahimpatnam is such a place in Hyderabad. It is outskirts of Hyderabad. I think almost from Amirpet it is 50 to 60 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Travel every day 50 plus 50, 100 kilometers to attend classes. And she used to say like she used to get up by 5 a.m. so that she can reach here by 8 o'clock or 9. And she start again back to home at 7 p.m. so that she will reach there by 10 p.m. So now the people who are there in Amirpet and who attend online, though they are staying in what? Amirpet, because of laziness or whatever it is. But she has the option of attending online classes, but she never taken that much seriously to attend online classes. She always preferred offline classes. And she attended all the exams on Saturdays. Okay? And she almost did every day. So you get a commitment and dedication. The results are there. So check your journey before commenting the results. If your journey is disciplined, commitment, dedication is there, definitely. I think you people are in a better position towards attending offline classes. So now also how much time she is doing. Again, she is traveling from Ibrahimpatnam to Kondapur. It's not a small distance. Again, it's a big distance. It's not that much easy. So take some inspiration from her and change your small laziness related issues, right? Because I have seen one day coming on offline is 3-4 days online. Small reason. Today mood is not good, health is not good. Today I cannot get up and ready. Or in my getting up, it is taking time. Who is going to take your photographs? If you are getting ready, come as is and sit in the classroom. What is there? Subject is important, not remind. Right? Okay. Fine. Rupa, anything you want to share regarding your work culture? Are you there, Rupa? Yeah, you please share regarding your work culture. Please unmute and share.
Everything is good. Like how like everything is fine. Environment is good. Like even though it is a small company, everything is good. How they speak, and I have seen very good very good people talking each other. Everything is fine, and like we have to say some conscious, and we have to work there correctly, then we'll get a better result, sir.
Yeah.
So everything is fine. Not
I think project is on Spring Boot microservices.
yes, my project is on Spring Boot, sir.
Okay.
Like SaaS management tool. I'm working on a SaaS management tool, like developing.
Okay. One student is asking question here. You got the first offer, and how did you know it is a fake number?
Like from the reviews, and I have like I and same in Naresh IT, there is a same call from too many people, even though they have not attended the interview. And we have given a test first, and like that was cleared, and they like put a schedule of meeting. Then they asked some questions, I answered. Then like after that, we have I have got an offer letter from that company. Like and same, like after seeing Google reviews, so many people told, like even though we have not attended that interview, like we got that offer. And from sir also told me, like in our institute, like that we got some people also got same offer letter by changing the company names, like that. So I from sir I have, like I have seen Google reviews, and from sir he told me that like it is like fake company. From
Actually,
recently only I got this offer where I am working.
okay. So
I'm
actually,
like I'm very thankful to everyone in the Naresh IT who helped me, who teach me, and everyone.
okay. Yeah, thank you, Rupa.
Thank you, sir.
What this,
Thank you.
you know, how much they do at the end, they ask money. Either direct,
Yes.
that's an indication of income. Okay. This company, this particular company, they did not ask money directly. They said, you have to clear one certification exam, and exam cost is, I think, some US dollars, they say, which is
Yes.
costing 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees. Okay, then in the same batch, multiple students have got the same offer letter with the different names. But package table and everything is same, only company name is different. Okay, for everyone, they are asking what? You have to clear certifications. So then obviously it will create the doubt. And for some of them, proper interview not happened, but they release an offer. And they're insisting clear certification exam, you will get US based job in US based. And they're taking all interviews online, they are not inviting for offline. So these are the indications. Money is involved means, okay, either there is another training institute who want to make money, where they say, you pay simple, 4 months training, after that you will pay. There is one more training institute, since they are not getting direct student, they are attracting this. Or it's a fake one. These are the indication. One hour other time they will open up and ask money. Okay, that time also don't give a straightforward answer. I don't have money. Cut from first month's salary, cut from second month's salary. They say it's not our company policy, we cannot. Sorry, it was I don't have money. There is no need of fighting with anyone. Smoothly you have to come out. But thank you, thank you. Is also there. You know those companies, before joining, you have to search about that company in Glasgow. There's a website called Glasgow. If you're still doubting that company, go and talk to existing employees before you join. Okay, if they're insisting only online work, okay, at least you have to see physical building of that company by sending someone. Talk to existing employees, and Glasgow reviews are the perfect reviews. Okay, Glasgow reviews. I think one more website is also there. Is that? Something it starts with BA. That is also good website for to know about the companies. Glasgow reviews you can go for. Lakshmi joined in this laptop. So there is no mic option for this. Lakshmi joined in this lab. Lakshmi, are you there? Lakshmi, I think she's not there. Not done. Fine. Sahu, like with what name? With the Sumit Sahu name only. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Sumit Sahu. Mr. Sumit Sahu. Yeah. Are you able to unmute?
Yes, sir. I'm audible?
Good morning, madam. I hope you.
Good morning, sir.
Right. Okay. Yeah, Sumit Sahu and Lakshmi Sahu both are cousins.
Yes, sir.
They studied engineering together and they have taken classes together and look at their luck. They got job in same company. I hope you are working for same project also.
No, sir. Same project, not. Project different.
Same different as the one. Right.
Yeah.
When did your
Can
company
I
like?
start?
No, first time you got a different deal because so far you traveled with like Sumit.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Yeah, please share your journey.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to share my success journey. My name is Lakshmi Sahu, and today I am feel proud to share my journey of success with all of you. So, after completing third year of my BTech, I came to Naresh IT with a single dream, like to become a Java developer. So, looking back, the most important things to planning, like my brothers give one plan, you follow that. My elder brothers saying, guide me and saying, focus on your study in Bhopal until that third year. Join came to Naresh IT and join full stack Java course. Complete your VTech and aim to get job within like after completing VTech within 1 month. Like that he is saying. So I followed this roadmap and joined course at Naresh IT. Here Java from Hari Krishna sir and others codes like HTML, CSS with Prakash sir and
Go ahead, go ahead.
okay,
You can say in Hindi also, no problem.
okay, sir. So and like database from like मैं नटराज अरे उन सर का नाम भूल चुकी हूँ सॉरी.
That's not a matter. Just share your journey, no problem.
Okay, okay. After our advanced Java from Hari Krishna sir. At the start of Spring Boot batch, I gave a screening exam, which I successfully clear. After that, Naresh IT provide me with 2-3 month intensive training where they teach all the important skills or uh, like important questions though and ask questions like ask in the company how ask in company questions they teach like that. And my brother also advised me to be active on job recruiting platforms like LinkedIn or Naukri or Indeed. I enhance my profile, update it every morning, and stay connected connecting, ask about Java developer opportunity. Those build a strong network in LinkedIn. So I got my first opportunity through Indeed. I cleared all the technical round, but in the final round, manager saying I want to like international English candidate. So that time I don't know that much English. So he's saying like you are not selected in final round. And I'm saying okay. After that, I worked on improving my English, practiced regularly, and got another opportunity through LinkedIn. In this interview, like clear eye all round, they ask core Java questions, advanced Java, and like servlet JSP also questions they ask, or not more question, but some question they ask, and they ask some question from Spring Boot REST API, and in live project they also ask some question uh, like which uh, मतलब कौन सा प्रॉब्लम में क्या यूज करोगे लाइक दैट इन्होंने क्वेश्चन किया था इन माय मुंबई इंटरव्यू मुंबई वाले कंपनी का इंटरव्यू में सो लाइक आई क्लियर्ड दिस इंटरव्यू एंड आफ्टर दैट manager is saying you cleared interview but like this company take much time to process uh, like hello, I'm
Yeah, yeah.
audible.
Yeah, you are audible, going good. Jaldi wind up कीजिए.
Yeah.
I think you speak very fastly in normal. What happened today? Taking so much time. Fine. She is very
This is my journey.
but big circle, and she talked very sweet, very fastly. I think while talking to others. I think today you are in bit nicer, no problem. No one is observing you, only seeing you. You can talk in a regular flow. Actually, you can talk in Hindi. I'll tell you how fearless he is. One day, randomly in the class, I said, like, if you get the job, I will give some party kind of thing. Okay.
Yes, sir. But that time condition is something like other condition is there. My room owner, some issues are there. That's why we are not coming.
She's very fearless. So the moment she got the job and she messaged me, sir, that day you said, I will give party.
Yes, sir.
So that much talkative and fearless she is. Okay, just complete your journey. Okay. Others are waiting.
Yeah. So, like in this journey, my brother also support me. Like every time my brother is saying, you focus, give interview. लाइक मतलब तुम ये मत सोचो इंटरव्यू क्लियर होगा कि नहीं, बट इंटरव्यू बट तो मतलब कि इंटरव्यू देने जाना है ये माइंड में रखो, कोई भी इंटरव्यू हो उसको बस माइंड में रखो कि मुझे ये इंटरव्यू देना है. कभी कभी मैं सोचने लगती थी इंटरव्यू में, मैंने अभी रिवाइज नहीं किया है तो मैं ना जाऊं, तो मेरे भैया मुझे फोर्स करते थे कि तुमने जो भी पढ़ा है अभी तक, 1 ईयर हो गया है तुम्हें पढ़ते हुए, जो भी पढ़ा है मतलब डरो मत कि इंटरव्यू है, ये सोच के जाओ कि बस जो भी है मुझे आता, जो भी है मैं बस बोलूंगी, बस इतना कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, हो जाएगा. तो मैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू दी हूँ, बट सेकेंड राउंड तक ही पहुंच पाती थी. थर्ड राउंड में मैं ऑटोमेटिकली रिजेक्ट हो जाती थी। तो और फेस टू फेस मैंने 3 ही इंटरव्यू दिए हैं। फर्स्ट जो मैंने बताया वो वाला, उस और आफ्टर दैट सेकंड इन नरेश आईटी, और थर्ड जो अभी मैंने क्लियर कर लिया था फेस टू फेस। ओनली 3 इंटरव्यू। सो माय ब्रदर लाइक बहुत सपोर्ट किया है उन्होंने, और नटराज सर का मोटिवेशंस बहुत सपोर्ट किया है सर ने भी। दिस इज माय जर्नी।
Okay. Congratulations for both. I hope your bonding
थैंक
will
यू
continue
सर।
like this for lifetime. Okay.
यस यस सर।
Same city, same team. Okay.
लक
Uh,
लक सर।
but Lakshmi, other day I asked her, your own brother should come and do motivation speech because he also student of Naresh IT, right?
यस सर।
Yeah, because of him only you joined in Naresh IT and taken these courses, right?
यस सर।
Please send him once so that
ओके।
because as he motivated you and he can also motivate other existing.
यस सर, बिकॉज ऑफ माय ब्रदर आई एम हियर।
I know that's fact, no doubt in that. But I want your brother, own brother also should come and share his journey.
ओके ओके सर।
Postponing to come and share his journey, right?
ओके ओके।
Okay. All the best. How is
थैंक यू
Mumbai?
सर। हेलो।
How is Mumbai?
नाइस सर।
Staying nearby company or long distance?
नियर बाय कंपनी।
That's a good. Otherwise, you will pack in the metro rails and the local trains.
यस सर।
Okay. All the best. Keep working
थैंक यू
hard.
सो मच सर।
Thank
यस।
you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
We'll do coding in the evening slot. In the evening 7 p.m. slot, we complete. Thank you. Have a rest.